We are here at the Church of the Sacred Heart. We got here early and missed the crowds and all these lines. We were able to once again just walk right into the church and to tour the stations and to sit and meditate. And yeah, we made it before the crowds again. So we were here last Sunday. We are here again this Sunday, last Sunday in the year of 2024. Church of the Sacred Heart, Paris, France, dreams come true, all that jazz, bells, 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 church bells ringing. There's France, y'all. From up on the hill. Yes. Interesting enough, we can hear these bells from where we live. Church bells. Paris, France. Charles Woody.
One love.
One love.